subwoofers which we can usually do if we go the DIY route. I think Anthony has already mentioned about ported and sealed and ported. There are a couple more which we can do the DIY route and it's not too hard. One is the transmission line and the fourth is the horn. Alright. Now in closed box, if you do a closed box subwoofer, it's usually very easy to make, very difficult to get wrong. That's the pros. The cons are you cannot get too much extension unless the driver is specifically made for a closed box. I'm going to try and show you something practical using VinaISD. There it will explain the same driver run through, and you'll see how the different responses show. Another thing with closed is you cannot get it wrong. Basically, it's very, very difficult to get a closed box wrong. Closed box is the smallest subwoofer you can build. You can build big if the driver is made for closed and it gives you sufficient bass. Ported box, very easy to get wrong. Usually the tail small parameters have to be pretty accurate to get a ported box right. But if you get it right, it's a big leap from here to here. Generally the SPLs, if your driver can handle it, are more here. Here you can get it either way, again depending on the driver and how you design your box. The length of the port, the width, the size, everything changes the tuning. And if you make this smaller, the tuning is gone. A different kind of response will turn up. I'll show that again in the graph. These boxes can be large because subwoofers are never small. You don't ever think of making them small. Small means you're going to have sound that's small. Ported box, the good drivers, like these drivers, we're looking at about 100 liters. 120 liters, which is about 4 cubic feet. Right? The port determines how much low frequency you're going to get into the room. Now, always remember your room is also going to add up to 6 decibels. Like you have a lot of people who want to do subwoofers that go straight like this, and this is 20 hertz. But the truth is, 20 to 40 hertz, your room is adding so much of its own thing. This actually, when you measure, is more like this. So somebody who walks into that room is just going to hear that one single boom, boom, boom noise. So the ideal way to design this is actually like that. So when the room adds this, it comes more like this. That's what really makes a lot of sense. And this is what you need to consider when you design a ported subwoofer. Ported, it's good to go with an established design unless you can measure the real small parameters, use the tools and do all that. Otherwise, it's good to go with something that's already done, already established. Transmission lines are also used for subwoofers. Now, in terms of size, smallest, big, this is really big. The advantage is it has an ideal combination of both. You get really good bass, it goes down really well, and